guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my cheat day. Yeah, so today is Sunday, the day I'm filming this video. It's on Sunday, and on Sundays I cheat on my diet. So I want to do fried rice and chicken. Yeah, just like that. Yes, fried rice and chicken. So I'm just marinating my chicken now. You can see how good it's looking. Well, I love spicy. That's why you can be seeing the spicy in it. I'm just going to put it in the fridge.
Many minutes later.
Yeah, so after I think I left it for like an hour plus. So I'm just going to go ahead and transfer it into my air fryer. Like I said in my weight loss video, I don't eat fried chicken for now. Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and transfer it in my air fryer. So while it's frying, I'll go ahead and prepare my rice.
Many hours later.
Okay, guys, so after eating a lot, we end the day with laxative. There's a friend of mine that is like, why eat if you know you're going to take laxative? Man, that's what works for me. I just take laxative to flush everything out the next day. Yeah, so this is about 9 p.m. Yeah, so this is like the last thing I take any day I'm taking it. I take it without eating anything again for that day.